Hello, my thank you so much for the subscriptions made. And if you've not subscribed yet, I would advocate and that you kindly subscribe to this channel for more educative lecture series. In today's lecture video, by popular request, I'm going back to the learning management system, where I have to help people with a cloud account, free trial account, get some categories created, and then how to set up the entire quiz. So that'll be in 3 sections. In this section, I'm taking that of creating a free account with a Moodle. So I'll quickly minimize this page and maximize my virtual space here. So quickly we type moodlecloud.com and then we enter. I hope your connectivity is so strong. And let me see with my, please work out for me. Voila, we have this beautiful interface. So because we want a free trial, we have to first click on this login button here. When you click it, we want to first go into that free trial. Again, you want to have a stable and tight connectivity. So let's see what mine comes with. It's still loading. Okay, voila. Because this is a free trial, you want to click on the free trial. I already have an account, that is why you see my details here. But if you don't, you click on this free trial button for me. Okay, and then again we have certain things to fill out. So we first need a site name. The site name is like a username, and so you can type, I would want to use capital R Radal. When you see the green, okay, the red means that it's already in place, so you can't use it. But when you start typing and then there's a green version, so let me just use EGAN, it means I can have this site available for myself, and that is good. For the region, you keep it as it is. It says, how do you want to use this site? You want to select teaching students. You want to be sure of that. You want to use this site to teach students. And then we are asked to do certain details. So your first name you have to fill in, your last name you have to fill in, the email account you have to fill in, your country is Ghana. And then it says, how do you use this Moodle? Have you used this Moodle before? You select yes as administrator. Okay. And then there are some policies we must agree to. I agree that I am 18 years above, yes. Do you want to get some information from Moodle? You want to, either it's optional, so either you agree to that or not. Again, there are free trial plans here, so based on your storage you can just choose any of them or buy for unlimited version. But in this case we are using the free trial, so we just click on start free trial. Okay, so we are connecting to, it says there's a code sent to your email, so you quickly go to your email account, the one you use in creating this. As you can see with mine, I have a message sent to me. It says, hi Radal, you can verify your email with this code. So what I do is to quickly copy this code, go back to my Moodle account page and then paste the code, and you continue. You want to ensure you use the right email address for creating the account where this code will be sent to. It says relax, sit back, and then have your site ready. So let's see what we have. Congratulations, your site is successfully created. That is not all. You want to view the site, so it says take me to my Moodle site, and that is what we are doing now. Probably you have a fast internet connection, so you wouldn't have to be delayed as mine is. Let's see. Okay, my dashboard is getting ready, cooked up with everything I'll need to enable me with my learning management system. Sorry it's taking a while, but you'll be fine. Okay, here we are. Because it's a free trial, it says your free trial ends in 27 days. If you want to upgrade, you can with so many packages to sign up to. You read everything you have here and then you go to, yeah, I got it. Now when that is done, we have our dashboard. You can see there's a home, there's a dashboard, there's my courses, there's site administration. There's a default course created. If you want to create your own course, you go to my course here, and then you create the course, the blue button here, create course. Okay, so let's fill out. Our course name can be algebra. Since I'm taking a course like algebra, I want to use caps. Algebra, I hope the spelling is correct. The course short name, I can say it is alg. Or the same algebra. I mean, it still doesn't create anything different. Sorry for my typing mistakes. Algebra, the same short name. Category, show course visibility. Yes, you want the course to show. When is the course starting? Because today's 21st, today's 20th, so I could say let the course start on 20th February 2025. When should the course end? It can be unlimited or bounded. Probably you have a whole 3 months, so I'll say end on 20th of probably April or August 2026 or 2025. This is still up to you on how you want your course to end. Where is 2025? Here you are. Course ID is optional, so you can leave it out. Description of the course, you want to give a summary description of what your learners should expect on the course, so that is optional. It says create an image. If you have an image to make your platform easier, you can quickly do that. So I have an image here I want to employ. I downloaded an image called algebra, so I just copy, drag and paste here. Sorry. And let's go to the others. Course format, how do you want the course to show on a page? You always want to have the custom, so that everything you do appears. How many number of sections do you want? It can be unlimited. You check that. Should there be any hidden sections, what happens? They are hidden to your learners. Okay, they are not available. You check on these options and then see how the layout would be. Course layout, what should happen? Are you showing every section on the page or one section on the page? Please, you would want to just explore these options and see how the layout would be on your course. Okay. Appearance, you don't want to force the language. It can be any language at all. How many announcements do you want to make on the course page? 3 announcements should do. Should you show grade books to students? It's optional, depends on you, the instructor. If you want students to see their grade book, fine. Show activity of report, yes, no. Just play with these options and then you get to see what is happening. File uploads, in a case where students or learners have to upload a material, this is the size or volume of material they can do. Groups, if you've had any groups done, you can check that, but at this stage I've not done any groupings of my learners, so there are no groups, there are no force modes to download, and there's no default group. And then you save and display, and that should be the end of your course creating for Moodle trial. And so this is what I have. My course title is algebra. I created 3-4 announcements to make, and that is what I have. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video where I'll take you through creating categories in your question path. Thank you.